Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Smokey eyes is something which is loved by everyone because it is universally flattering and goes well with all kind of dresses. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to create very easy everyday kind of smoky eye makeup look just by using two eyeshadows. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, I am applying concealer on my eyelids as the base of the eyeshadow. Here I am using the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the shade medium tawny. It will help the shadows to stay for longer time. Then I am applying powder to set the base so that it doesn't crease. Here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. After that, I am applying the Faces Magneteyes Kajal at my eyelids. I am drawing a thick line. After that, I am smudging it with my fingers. It will act as the base of the eyeshadows. I am also applying this at my lower waterlines. Now I am taking this matte terracotta brown eyeshadow from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette as the transition shade. With the help of a blending brush, I am packing the eyeshadow to the outer corner and into the crease. Blend out the eyeshadow so there ain't any harsh lines. Now I am taking the same shade from the same palette and applying it along my lower lash lines. Now I am applying this matte dark brown eyeshadow from the same palette and packing it all over my eyelids. Then with the help of a blending brush, I will soften out the edges. Keep one thing in your mind that blending is the main key of creating smoky eyes. So blend out everything properly. Now I am taking this matte dark brown eyeshadow again and applying it at my lower lash lines. Now it's time for finishing touches. Here I am using the Maybelline Sensational mascara and applying it at my upper and lower lashes. So guys, this is my finished smoky eye look. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care.